In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best blinds promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for blinds promo code. Right here, open this website, which is couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have different type of promo codes and discounts that we can use. For example, if you want to save 40% on your next order, all you have to do is select your coupon code right here, and this is your discount code. So if you apply this one on your next purchase, you will get this 40% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have another website that we can use, which is simplycodes.com. And as you can see right here, there are other offers that you can use. For example, if I want to use this $20 discount, all I have to do is select this code right here and then copy this code and use it on my checkout in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.